And here's my Friday breakfast. I have 1 potato, some sliced spinach, roasted peppers, tomatoes, onions, and pork left over from last night. I shredded up my potatoes for my hash browns. I put the hash browns in 2 egg rings in the back there. There's my spinach, my onions sauteing. There's my peppers. I diced the tomatoes, and there's my pork. I piled all the vegetables on top of one another, and I put the meat on top of one of the hash brown patties, took them out of the ring, started my egg, flipped it over, and then I piled all the sauteed veggies on top of my egg. And now it is time to eat. I slathered both of my hash brown patties with some ketchup. I have my coffee here and some water on the side. I forgot my orange juice on the kitchen counter, which I'll go get after I get done shooting this video. But here is my finished breakfast, and it is going to be super good. I hope you all made yourself a good breakfast this morning. And being as this is Friday, I'm sure I'll have an adult beverage later on. I hope you all have a great weekend. Stay safe, be blessed, and I'll see you soon.